Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna make a simple recipe. It's just spaghetti, vegan beef, and zucchini. You can substitute the beef for real beef if you want, but I'm gonna use what I'm gonna use. So first, I'm gonna get a zucchini. I have some pasta, spaghetti, tomato sauce, and the beef that I'm gonna be using is going to be this. It's in the freezer, so let me get that. It's this Gardein brand. Okay, so I'm gonna use that one. So now, first I'm gonna put the spaghetti. Right, you can get any kind of spaghetti that you like, or pasta for that matter. So personally, I don't like my spaghetti that long, so I always break it in half. It's just water and salt, and it's been boiled. So now I'm gonna chop up my zucchini here, and it's just plain zucchini. Okay, not gonna use a lot of ingredients in this one. So I'm gonna chop this up. You're just gonna do little circles like that. Okay, so now that I've chopped all the zucchini in little discs, I got a pan here with a skillet, and I'm just gonna drizzle a little grapeseed oil. Use enough of oil. Just drizzle that in there. Let it heat up. And I'm going to check on my pasta. And you just want to stir it occasionally so it doesn't get stuck together. So I just let the pan heat up, and it should be good now. And I'm just gonna throw in my zucchinis. So you know, just put them in there. And then I'm gonna put the spices on right now. Yum. So it's really simple. I'm gonna get some black pepper and just sprinkle some black pepper like this. Yum. And then I like a lot of black pepper. Obviously pickles. A little garlic, salt, just to get a nice flavor. A little bit of this layer seasoning. It isn't a lot actually, if you haven't noticed. And this is Larry seasoning. It's known as like a seasoned salt, any type of seasoned salt you want. And that's it. So I'm just gonna let them saute there alone, don't touch them, just let them do their thing. So let them get nice and brown and crispy, and then we'll flip them over, but that's it. That's all you have to do with that. Okay, so now that these are getting a little brown, don't do this, but you see this color, so that's what we want. They're getting a little brown. I'm going to turn the heat down a little. And now I'm going to add my beef substitute, which is this. It's just vegan, ground beef. So I'm just going to add it there. And this is going to go with sauce, spaghetti sauce. Okay. And I'm going to add again a little more black pepper. I know the zucchini has enough black pepper, but just a little sprinkle. And then a little sprinkle of parsley, just so the meat can absorb the flavor as well. We want to introduce that as well to the flavors, not just have it bland. And a little bit of the Larry's, just a little sprinkle. You can use salt for that too, you don't have to use salt. And a little bit of this. So basically I'm just adding more spices as I did to the zucchini. Just a little bit more of this. This is the Italian seasoning. Okay. And now I'm gonna saute this all like this. Just combine all the flavors together. Alright, and then I can see that most of the oil is already gone. So I'm using this grapeseed oil. So see, now it has it's gonna fry a little better. And I'm just gonna leave it like that, cover it up, and let it cook for about 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna add the sauce. So I'm gonna turn the heat back up just so it can all cook. It looks really good. And as for the spaghetti, I already strained it out, and I strained it so it's good. So now I'm gonna wait till this is done, and then I'll serve that. I'll serve the meat on top of the spaghetti, the pasta. You can always mix in the pasta into this if you want after we put the sauce. It's really up to you what you want to do. I like both, so depends what you like. Okay, so now I'm going to cover this up with this lid and just wait. Alright guys, so now I've waited like 2-3 minutes. And now I'm going to open this back up. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Like, wow. So now I'm going to put the spaghetti sauce. I use traditional. You can use any spaghetti sauce that you want. So I'm just going to pour that on top, and then like that. And let it all cook together. Just simmer together for a little while. Just mix it up really good. I'm gonna put the lid back on while that cooks. So it's been cooking a while, and I'm going to transfer some of the pasta in here. So just grab some. Oh, it's really hot. So I'm gonna grab some of this pasta and transfer it over here. Just because I wanted to I didn't cook it that well, but it's because I wanted to cook here. You know, just like cook here and grab like the flavors of this sauce and meat. So it's gonna cook a little extra in here, so that'll be perfect. So you put as much pasta as well. Like I said, you can also just serve the pasta plain and then put the meat sauce on top. You know, if somebody doesn't like that much sauce or anything. Alright, so I'm just gonna mix this really well and then let it cook some more, put the lid back on, and then it'll be ready. Alright, so now I let it simmer here for like about 5 minutes. And I'm gonna give it another toss here, and I'm ready to serve. So I'm gonna transfer it to a plate. Now, a little bit more here. And there you go. See? Zucchini with meat and pasta. Simple and delicious. So let's try it. Let's see how it tastes. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment below. Let me know what you think. If you want to see anything else, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Bye.